This is a story about a tenant with a leaky repair that caused him the utmost despair. A property manager trying to relax on a Sunday afternoon when the phone began to ring to cause her the deepest gloom. A landlord and his friend having a drink to celebrate their success, only to receive a call about an absolute mess.
G'day, Cobb. Crikey, how much? Have you tried troubleshooting? I'll need at least 10 quotes for that. Go ahead with it then.
A tradie just trying to get enough work to have some fun.
Leaky tap. I'm not qualified for that. Except.
But when he's out there, he misses the parts to get the job done.
Wish they told me about this before they sent me out here.
This is not a Tappy story, because with Tappy, this story would never be told.
The quote.